Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a natural method in which you are gonna be removing wrinkles from your feet and from your foot. Okay, literally have a younger feet and a more fresher and a shiner foot. Now if you're among those categories of people who have actually been worried about your feet looking darker than your body, or looking too rough, or looking too cracky, or and all of that, you are at the right video, because I'm going to be showing you a great way to get rid of it and have your feet and your foot looking soft, supple and younger. Alright, so the very first ingredient we're going to be making use of is this, and this is lemon. Lemon is a citric fruit that helps so much for the skin, and it helps to remove cracked heels. It contains vitamin C that helps to lighten up the skin. So your feet is literally going to be looking younger, and you're going to be looking fresher. Alright, so this I have here is lemon juice, and that's the much I can actually get. Alright, so here is my lemon juice, and now what we're going to be making use of is honey. Guys, you really do not need to skip honey in this particular treatment, okay, because honey is a great moisturizing agent that the foot needs so much. Okay, so you cannot skip it. Okay, so honey helps to make the skin glow, and it helps to allow product to get into your skin. All right, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to mix it. I took 2 tablespoons of my honey into the lemon and mix it really good. So the very next ingredient which is required for this treatment is baking soda. Now baking soda is otherwise called bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is a great ingredient that scrub out dead skin cells on the skin. Okay, so we're going to be putting in 2 tablespoons, and it's actually going to be foamy because of the reaction of baking soda and lemon. Okay, now baking soda helps to remove dead skin cells that are actually clogging your skin and blocking your skin. See how that is? It's going to foam really well. Okay, alright, so after doing that, then we're also going to be needing to use egg. Now egg helps to so much to tighten up the skin. It makes the skin look polished, and it also helps to remove age spots and all of that. So I have egg in here which I usually store. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using this particular one. So I need just a little of the egg, not too much. And then after putting that, I'm gonna be turning that this way. Okay, so after successfully mixing this all up together, I'm going to be applying it onto my leg, and it's gonna be very effective. So let's do that. So this is how my leg is without scrub, okay, without scrubbing on it. This is how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this to scrub it and remove the frackiness in there. Now you can add up any oil, like vitamin E oil is preferably to add into this treatment to give you that, you know, wake up on your skin. So what you do now, okay, okay, so we're going to be doing it this way. All right, so you have to massage and massage really good. So this is how my leg is looking shiny already, and trust me, this is actually going to make my leg so duper soft. Okay, so this is an ingredient that you should give a go. And then you have to also scrub your foot. Alright, so this is my right leg. This is how it looks like. It looks really cracked and it looks really unpleasant in the eyes. This is the side. Okay, so what I'll do, I would have to scrub it and remove all of the dead skin cells and equally scrub my foot. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now, after which I've scrubbed. Yeah, so now let me go wash this off, come back to show you how my leg is just in one try. Alright guys, so after which I have washed, look at how my leg is just for one try. Now look at how the side is just for one try. Now imagine when you keep on trying. Let me show you my right leg. Look at how that is. Look at how this is. Now you have to not only use this for one time, you would have to use it again and again. You can actually, you know, make this and store, except for the egg. Okay, when you want to store this, do not put the egg. Okay, just maybe use sugar, don't put the egg. Okay, because it's not going to stay if you put egg in it. So what you're going to do is that you're going to be using this every morning, and trust me, your foot is going to get lighter and all of the wrinkles are going to be gone, and your leg is literally going to get softer and brighter. Okay, so go give this a go and, you know, do it just like we have said. So if you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and that's it guys. That's how you're going to store it, you're going to use it, and that's how it's going to be working for you. So be consistent in it and give it a little time, and you're going to see the results. So love you guys, and bye.